Cyberpunk 2077, the game that was announced in 2013, took 7 years to make, is finally here. And this is the unboxing. What we have here is the Day 1 edition with a steelbook metal case. And this thing comes with a few extras. The first thing is some postcards from Night City, El Coyote Kojo, Japantown, and the Pacifica, all from NC's post office. And it also comes with a handbook glossary of all the information that you might want to know about Night City and Cyberpunk 2077 in general. And on a practical note, you also get a map of Night City with all the places which you can hang on your wall and just look up instead of having to pull it up on your interface while playing the game. Moving on to the actual brains of this whole operation, the discs. And this game comes in 2 discs. One is a data disc, which has all the information which you're gonna need to copy to your PlayStation, and the second disc is the play disc, which allows you to play the game. Oh, and by the way, look at them stickers! Yeah, boy! Oh, I can just see these things popping up everywhere, just like Apple stickers were not so long ago. And now to the exclusive part about this specific edition is the Metal Case Steelbook Edition, which is basically just a case made out of steel where you can house those 2 CDs that are in the other case. But boy, does it look good. Yeah. Okay, that's creepy. Well, that's it, boys and girls. Cyberpunk 2077. Now you've seen it. Now go ahead and pick up yourself a copy and join the fun.